In this video, I'm going to show you how to shallow fry plantain. The first step is to chop up the tail and the top cover and then slit it into a straight line and remove the wrap from the slit. Then I'm going to chop it up into slices. The size is up to you. You can have it in disc shape or slanted shape. Anything between half an inch up to 1 inch. Some people like theirs chunky, some people like their thinly sliced. So that is going to be your desired taste that you would slice it to. So I'm just going to slice mine into slants. The disc shape is just doing it across into round disc. Cut this into your desired shape, and then we would put in a little bit of oil for the shallow frying method. A little bit of oil into a frying pan or any cooking pan that you have. So I'll put in vegetable oil, let it heat for a few minutes, and then we'll be dropping in our plantain into the oil to fry until golden brown. The smell is fantastic. If you're one of those sweet mouth people, you can put in a dash of cinnamon onto your plantain. And I'm going to flip it to the other side now. I've cooked it on one side for a few minutes, so I'm going to turn it over to cook the other side of the plantain. You can see that side is already golden brown. Depending on how you like yours, some people like theirs really dark brown, and a few people prefer their plantain to be fried just to golden yellow, golden brown. So it's up to you how you fry yours. But this is really a sweet, delicious recipe, and you can eat this with fried egg. You can serve it also with maybe jollof rice or any rice of your choice. Fried rice, special fried rice, they go as a compliment for any rice dish. It's really nice and yummy. The plantain is ready, so I'm going to take them gently out of the oil onto some kitchen paper. That would help remove excess oil. It's a lovely snack that you can have as a light meal during the day for lunch or for brunch. The shallow fried plantain is ready, so I'm going to serve mine with a dash of tabasco sauce, nice chili sauce. You can use any sauce of your choice, even fried egg, or just serve plantain as an accompaniment to your rice dishes. I'm going to test this now, see how nice it is, with a dash of my sauce. I like chili, I like pepper, I'm African. I like it nice and hot. Really nice, similar to the fritters, to banana fritters, you know, the deep fried sweet banana fritters.